So let's just chat about this, because it's large intestine and lung energy, and the combination of that is the flower. It's about stagnation and arrogance. So when we get stuck in an idea that we believe is true, we get stagnant in our thinking, we get stagnant in our life, we get arrogant about our beliefs, and therefore it's we just own it. We just go, oh, I'm a couch potato, that's just what I do. Oh, I don't exercise. Exercises, don't believe in exercise. Oh no, I don't believe in stress. Stress doesn't do anything to me. Oh, genetic lineage, what a load of crap. It's like we get stagnant and arrogant about our beliefs about things. And if there's anything that the last 2 years has taught me, is that we don't know what's going on. There's a whole other world out there that's going on behind closed doors that, we're not invited. So it's been a very interesting 2 years for learning that I don't really know anything. But the flower essence associated with lung and large intestine energy is white desert primrose. It's a desert alchemy flower. And white desert primrose, it's about self-doubt and confusion, difficulty to clearly discern what actions or expressions are in harmony with my essential nature. So what are you doing that doesn't suit your energy? What are you doing that doesn't suit your soul? Over-influenced by ideals which I or others have created, but which do not necessarily fit my deeper nature. What are we being made to do that doesn't suit us? What are you doing in your life that doesn't suit you? Are you a tidy freak but you'd rather be messy? Would you like to go for a run every day but instead just stay home and make meals for everyone? Would you prefer to visit family members regularly, or would you prefer not to visit family members regularly? What are we doing that we're frustrated with that doesn't suit our nature and it's not harmonious to our soul, it's not harmonious to our cells? How are we going to raise that vibration when we keep lowering it by doing something that creates guilt or shame or frustration or anger or blame in our lives? So what isn't working for your nature? It's about seeking outside sources for guidance or self-validation. When you don't fill yourself up with love and truth and harmony, why would anyone else love you? We need to be able to love ourselves first, so that we are moving forward from a position of, I'm okay, I'm here, I choose to be, and I choose to be around people who do the same. Otherwise, you're not adding to my cup. So when we go out into the world, are we being the best version we can possibly be? Are we being that best version? So basically, they're the things it's about. Self-doubt and confusion, difficulty in discerning what actions or expressions are in harmony with my essential nature. It's thinking about who we are at our core, what are we doing that doesn't suit us. So the other side of the coin is about choosing forms of self-expression that are in harmony with my inner nature and my soul purpose. So that's where we're going.